Listen.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
We are from Pop Media, and we just want to ask the situation today, because we understand that last time the court said to bring the list that they could choose from the hospitals. So what is the situation as of today now?
Okay, so like it was discussed at the last adjournment. The court had made an order for us to suggest 3 facilities, and the other party should only suggest 3 facilities. So the case for today was for us to report the facility we have suggested, which we did inform the court that we have submitted those 2 names to the welfare officer, and the court was not. They equally have their 3 facility that will be given to the court. So the procedure is just to report all of this, and we call them direct rights. And the next adjournment, the court would have picked one from this, one from the other, to pick an independent one. The next procedure, the next adjourned date is to focus on the nominated DNA center having been chosen by the court. One from us, and the court will nominate. One from them, and the court is going to nominate. And the court is going to nominate an independent one. Then we now, the next procedure will not be now to take samples, which pathology is going to take the sample. We already told the court all the center we chose have their own pathologists. Some are residents in Nigeria, some we have facility in Nigeria that takes samples for them. So procedure as I said and suggested to the court is not the same. We are not doing anything essential. Everybody is going to be there when we are taking anybody's sample. For them, for us, for the court, it's going to be transparent. Everybody is going to be there. We will take it. The welfare officer of the court is going to be an officer of the court, is going to supervise the process. Everybody is going to monitor how each of the samples taken will be sent overseas. All of this is just to guarantee the integrity of the process.
Okay, so for today now, the other parties too, they came with their own list.
Yes, they came with 3 of their own laboratory facilities overseas.
Okay, and that is
one in the UK, one in Spain. Yes.
Okay, for your own nomination, you have one in the US.
No, we have one in US. One in Canada. I think we have 2 in US. We have 2 in US. One in Canada.
Okay, for you 2 in US, one in Canada.
Yes.
Well, for the other parties,
they have one in US, one in UK, and one in Spain.
Okay. Now, do you think those facilities will not be conflicting, since they are from the same? Some of them are from the same.
Conflicting in what sense?
Like, so those you have those in US, you have also from US. Don't you think the facilities could be conflicting?
They're not going to be conflicting in this sense. Because conflicting in what sense? Is it the result?
No, not the result. Like the facility. Like, for instance,
okay. Are you saying is there a possibility?
Yes, possibility.
Of choosing the same facility?
Yes.
Well, I don't know. We've not seen what we don't know yet, but of course, the court will use its discretion.
Okay.
The court is going to pick. So if eventually we pick the same facility,
okay.
Well, it means that
it has to go ahead.
The court will still have to pick whether it's picking the same one from the same person.
Okay.
From the 2 sides,
or
it's picking 2 different ones.
But definitely the integrity.
But the essence is, the most important thing is we want to do 3. So if peradventure we pick one, and they also pick the same one, it therefore means that the court is going to pick 2 different ones. Because the essence is for us to have 3 DNA results.
So finally, sir, what's the assurance that this can give show more light to justice for the late Mohbad?
The nature of justice is very simple. What the Alaba family intend to achieve with this, 1, is to clear doubt with respect to the circumstances leading to that death. Nobody knows what happened in that house. Only God knows, and Mohbad. So we are saying, and the 4 people that were with him. So what the family does want to be sure of is, let's do this test. If this test comes out to be positive, and it is universal, it is a plus to them. It is, at least it will give them some sort of closure. We just want to know at least this boy, all these results shows that he is our son. So the next phase is now, are we going to open another round of investigation, or we just close the investigation since there is difficulty with respect to how to ascertain autopsy, the cause of death and all of that. Except perhaps the family wants to take it a step further by requesting that perhaps the body be flown abroad for a comprehensive DNA. If they have the resources and the means, all well and good. If not, at least this DNA will bring some sort of closure to the family.
There's also a notion that this DNA is in a way attached to Mohbad's royalties and all of this. Do you agree with that?
Unfortunately, these are fallacious expressions and opinion being peddled by some online backgrounds. This is not far-fetched. Mr. Mohbad does not even know anything about Mohbad's royalty. Let me show you. There is a matter that is going on at the Federal High Court. The Aloba family did not even know that some persons have brought an application to substitute Mohbad's name for theirs.
Wow.
They didn't discuss anything with the Aloba family, with the father, or with the head of the Aloba family. They went there in the name of Aloba family.
Listen.
All of them bearing Aloba. That was what prompted the family resolution that was done by the Aloba family, the head of Aloba family herself, including the father of the deceased. They don't even know. And these are people who are fighting for royalty. They are fighting for royalty at the Federal High Court. They didn't notify the family. So we have to bring an application to join the suit that we are talking about cause of death. We are talking about DNA. You people have already gone to Federal High Court and be claiming royalty. You are saying you are Aloba, you are this Aloba. Why not allow some of these things? They've not even buried him. And you are now accusing my client. You are accusing my client of being the one trying to go after royalty. He doesn't even know anything about the royalty. It is the family that says, no, we can't sit and be looking now when people that we didn't even authority, they are not even Aloba. They didn't inform the family, they didn't do anything. They didn't even allow this process to conclude before they say, okay, we want to join in that suit. So they have made a representation to the court.
So,
the idea is going after the royalty. If there's anyone is going after the royalty, you can check the records are there.
So how did you find out? Because this is kind of shocking, you know, for me. It's
a public record, though. They didn't know.
Wow.
They substitute the name of Mohbad in March of 2025 or 2025, I'm not sure. That they are the representative of the estate of Ilerolu Aloba. So in respect of the royalty, they should be the one that should get it.
Aside joining the suit, now was there any action that was taken against those that substituted the name of Mohbad?
No, we are still in court. We found out in December or November of last year.
Listen.
That some people have joined the suit since March. They are already fighting for the royalty of Mohbad. I don't want to mention names, but whoever is interested, they can go to Federal High Court and find out. So why are they accusing my client and the Aloba family of doing this DNA because of royalty? The truth is there. Everybody will see when it comes out.
So what's the next adjournment case for the DNA?
The next adjournment date is 24th of February. So we are reporting back to the court so that the court can...
Next week.
No, next 2 weeks.
Next 2 weeks.
We are reporting back to the court so that the court will have determined the nominated DNA facility. And of course, it forms part of the proceedings and the order of the court.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
Thank you so much.